Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to track your steps on an iPhone. Let's go. Keeping track of your steps can make a huge difference in your daily routine. It's a great way to make sure you're getting sufficient exercise every day. In fact, numerous studies showed that the use of measurable fitness benchmarks is able to improve the amount of exercise. So in order to track your steps using your iPhone, you just need to have your phone with you whenever you are walking or moving around, and to check how many steps you've taken in a day or a week. You need to open up the Health app on your iPhone. Once you are on the Health app, you'll see an option called Steps, so go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll be able to see how many steps you take per day. You can also tap on the W at the top to see the average number of steps you take per week. You can also see your number of steps per month, 6 months, or number of steps you have taken per year. You can also see exactly how many steps you take per day. So as I said before, in order to track your steps using your iPhone, you just need to have your phone with you every time you are walking, running, or doing other types of activities. This can be a great motivator to keep going. Measuring your progress is important because it allows you to see how far you've come and how close you are to reaching your goal. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.